Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna watch and learn how to use the touch type tool, which is one of the coolest type tools in Adobe Illustrator. So let's jump right into it. We're gonna make this pretty quick. Just press T on your keyboard or select the type tool from here and just write your text. Resize it. Now you can change font to whatever you prefer. Right. Once you have your text, you can click and hold where you have the type tool, and you can see this drop down menu appears, and you're going to select the touch type tool. Now the cool thing about this tool is that you don't have to rasterize or outline your text or edit it in some other way. You can just click every singular letter and just move it wherever you want to place it. You can just click and drag them to move it wherever you want. You can drag this corner and it will stretch it upwards or squish it. This other instead makes it bigger or smaller in proportion. This stretches it from left to right. This lets you move it around, and this top little dot makes you rotate it. So you can also rotate your font and just make some really cool typography stuff and not even rasterize your type. Like, you can place stuff upside down. Like, how cool is this? Now, let's finish editing this. Right, let's say we're happy with this. Our text is still completely fully editable, so you can basically change font and it'll keep the positioning and the length and size of the font you created earlier. Obviously every font has different widths and heights, so you're gonna have to fix it, but it will leave the layout you created. It's a really awesome tool. I suggest you go and get some practice with it. It's a life changer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys probably tomorrow.